Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter! Hey kitty girl! Peter, boom, 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 review stuff. And I'm here again today with my husband, Alex. And we have two special guests, Boo, Tucker, Boo, and Tucker. Come on. Here comes Tucker. Where's Boo Radley? Booby! We're gonna have treats.
He's right here.
Oh, here he comes. Come here, Boo. And we have two special guests, Boo and Tucker, and we are back for another dog subscription box. We're doing today the BarkBox. We need a thumbnail. You ready? Another day, another dog box. Hey, kitty girl. How many times have I sung that in the last 2 days?
A lot.
I'm obsessed with that song right now.
Did you know that you sing it in your sleep? You're like this.
Hey, kitty girl. Somebody said on the video the other day, I thought it was a really important question. They said, why do you have white hair and why is your husband so young? I was like, oh, you like my hair. That was so nice. Anyway.
Way to pay attention to the details.
Way to pay attention to the details.
It's all the details, you know?
All in the details. Okay. So today we are going, yesterday if you didn't watch our video, we did the Dapper Dog box. And today we are doing the BarkBox, which they always come a day apart, which I think is absolutely hilarious.
Bark!
I thought that was Tucker. They do bark. Bark. They're barkers, aren't you? Say, I'm a little bit of a barker. Do you think there's treats in here? So, BarkBox is a monthly subscription box, okay, for dogs. You can get it too. Hold on a second. Boo Radley's over there. Okay, and here I have, let's see. You guys get to see first what's inside. Now, every month they have a theme, just like the Dapper Dog box, but their theme is always kind of a little bit, oh, this one looks good. What is that? Oh my Lord, what is that? And it says on here, bark, bark. What's the password, pal? Oh, it's like you're at a door. Do you get it? Here, I'll show you. And there's like a guy behind there. I don't know if you can see it. And he's like, what's the password? It's like a little cartoon. So then, are you tired? Are we bothering you?
He's bored.
So oh, look at this. This is so cute.
It's a Squeakeasy.
It's the night of the Squeakeasy. So this is what it looks like when you open it. And it's like a bar inside, like a Squeakeasy. Isn't that so fun? Now you guys can go to the club, just like your dad. Okay. All right. It says, spot them all. There are 8 things hiding in the Squeakeasy. You can find, so there's games and stuff in here. It's so fun.
So wait, so are the dogs the one that are supposed to spot the things that are hidden in the picture?
Sure. Or you can if you want, but you can do it with your dogs and that would be real fun. So here it is. This is so cute how they write it. It's the roughing 20s. And we're ready to party. This is like one of your favorite eras too.
No.
Yeah, because Great Gatsby, and you did like for your, mom's birthday, you did the Roaring 20s and stuff.
She picked it.
She picked it, but you love that. You love that movie.
I like the movie a lot.
Yeah. And the Lana Del Rey song. Okay, it's the roughing 20s, and we're ready to party. Dogs and dolls, come down to the Squeakeasy for hot jazz, yappin' flappers, and pooch hooch. Pooch hooch, pooch hooch. Sink your teeth into a cocktail and swing by a petting party after. It's the cat, we don't like cats, so do we? It's the cat's pajamas. Scratch that, the dog's pajamas. Boo Radley, what do you think? He said, I'm so confused right now.
It's a dog tuxedo.
Okay.
That's a Sex and the City reference for all you Sex and the City lovers.
So let's see here. It says, oh, there's a little thing in here, and it says, Scoob, his epic tale begins. Only in theaters, May 2020. Did you guys know that you can watch all the movies that are in the theaters? You can watch them on demand on your TV right now. Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So anyway, here it is, and you can go see Scoob. It's coming out May 2020. Oh, thank you. Boo Radley is kissing my arm. So that was real fun. Okay, now let's go in here and see. They usually have like a little thing in here where they tell you what they have. Now I have to tell you.
Did you throw it?
I don't know. No, it's not on there. That's something. Oh, or is that? No, or is that? I think that's something. No, that's something different. What does it say? Can you read it? Zoinks. Oh no, that's from the Scooby-Doo. Maybe in May we'll get a Scooby-Doo one. But usually they like kind of explain what like these things are. So hold on a second. We're gonna get in here. Okay, and we're gonna see. I'm gonna take everything out. Okay, so when you take everything out, then it shows you. Oh my Lord, look at that. It shows you on the back all the toys and everything you get, right? Okay, save a pal, give us a ring. Then it tells you, Bark is devoted to giving your dog the best possible experience. Reach out to Happy Team and we'll gladly, okay, tailor your box. So the gang's all here. These are the things you get your things. Okay, the Feast Your Peepers and the whole Squeakeasy collection. Keep the good times rolling. Reorder. Well, we reorder it every month, don't we? I know. Okay, so these are the different ones you can get. And we're going to just go in here and see what we got. This guy is called...
A horse.
Al Capone. Oh my God, I love it. Did you get it? Like Al Capone from the Mafia.
Because he's a pony? Al Capone?
Al Capone, see? And Al Capone, it's got a crinkle inside. It's got 2 toys. Watch out, this Crinky Crook is packing Squeak. Rumor has it, he's a good hoofer too. Where's the Squeak? What do you think about that, Tucker? Tucker is here for the treats. Are you here for the treats? Treats, look at that ear. Watch. Are you here for the treats? You want the treats? His one ear goes up. Say, treats. Okay, so there's Al Capone. You think that's cute?
Yeah.
I think it's real cute. Okay.
Cute.
Cute. Cute. All right, and then the next, oh, I lost my board here. And then the next thing we got is a Mutt Hatton. So it's a drink. It's like a Manhattan, but it's a Mutt Hatton. And inside there are, oh my God, there's 4 toys in this. There's a crinkle. There's a ball squeaker. There's a multi-part toy. Oh, I guess you can take it. Oh, you can take it off. Look at that. And then you can throw it and things. Okay. And then there was a disc squeaker down here. Oh.
A what?
A disc squeaker, it says. There's a ball squeaker and a disc.
I heard something different.
Shh. Family friendly.
I didn't say what I heard.
No, I know, but you know what you were saying. Okay, so let's get into the treats now. Now, they do love their treats. Okay. Oh, we'll have to do this one first. The first, did you see what it says?
No.
The first treat is called Oinkahol. And it is Squeakeasy Bark Squeakeasy treats, pork recipe dog treats. Here they are. You guys ready? Oh my Lord. You want to smell it?
It's okay. It smells like bacon.
Yeah, it smells like, but they do love their bacon strips. Okay, here's yours, Tucker.
Yum.
And here's yours, Boo Rabbit. You gotta have a small, well, here, I'll give you a big one.
Oh my God, they're so cute.
Boo Rabbit. He
doesn't have enough room to eat it.
Here you go, sweetie. Here you go. He just kind of likes to lick them sometimes. Is he eating it? What's he doing with it? Okay, and then this is called Squeakeasy on the Lamb. Like, you know, like on the run. Lamb recipe dog treats. With pears. Do you like pears? Or do you like treats? Do you want dinner? Do you want dinner? Treat. You already had your dinner today, I bet. Okay. Let's, ooh, these smell like peanut butter or something. You can smell them right away. I don't know what those smell like.
Don't make that face, it's so
Smell it.
rude.
I love that you look right at the camera. Eye contact. Here you go.
Yeah.
They'll probably love these.
I'm connecting with your viewers.
Here you go.
See, he ate them both.
Did he? Or are you sitting on them?
No, he ate
It's
them.
lost underneath your butt. Okay. Is he eating that one?
Yeah.
No, he's just playing with
licking it.
Here, Tucker, you can have another one.
Another?
Good boy. Did he eat it that quick?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You eat like I do. Okay. Okay, let's see. The next one is soft and chewy peanut butter carob stick. But what is it? Like, there's no like trick name to it. Peanut butter recipe dog treat. Okay. Should we open this one? I guess we should.
No, because then they'll have to eat it right away.
It's soft though. But how will we know if they really like it? Do you like it?
Yes, he's telling you that he likes the
Do
look
you
of
like it?
The packaging's amazing.
Doesn't it look good? Do you like the packaging? What's your favorite part, Tucker? He said the treats. I love the treats so much. Do you, buddy? Do you love the treats so much? You're the best movie star in the entire world. Do you know what I found yesterday in the basement? It's right over there. Somebody sent us SAG cards for all the dogs, like, you know, the Screen Actors Guild, and it has Pee-Pee on there, Screen Actors Guild, and I found his Screen Actors Guild card.
That's cute.
So anyway, what would you give this box? Would you give this, did you like this better than the Dapper Dog box? They're very similar.
They're very similar. I guess this one's more in theme.
Yeah, I like the theme. I think the theme, I mean, really, it's just like buying some treats and, you know, like, I mean, I don't know that they know the difference, but for us, here you go, Boo Radley. Oh, here, Tucker can have another one then. I don't know that, like, they probably, obviously. Do you know the difference?
Yes, they're very verse.
Your hair looks so nice.
Thank you. Don't mess it up.
Story of my life. It does. It looks so nice. Anyway, so I think, like, for us, like, you know, for like the humans, obviously in the situation, I think the storyline is much cuter in BarkBox. I feel like Dapper Dog Box used to do more of a storyline, and they don't so much anymore. But I think this is really cute.
Maybe Easter's not very themey.
Please, Peter Cottontail. I would give this a 5 out of 5. What would you give it?
Nice. I mean, it's my first opening, so...
I like these treats better than the other treats we got yesterday.
I'll do 4.
If you could only buy one box, this or yesterday's, which one would you buy?
Based on this experience,
Yeah.
I'll probably just do this one.
Yeah.
I like the toys.
The toys are super cute. Tucker has all these little toys laid out on his comfort blanket upstairs. All right, you guys. So thank you for coming to our review, and thank you for being in the video.
You're welcome.
And I love you guys. Boo Radley! I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.